The summit is an excellent opportunity to discuss what is happening in our industry, and there is plenty to talk about. This year, ladies and gentlemen, we have a number of eminent speakers who will contribute to what I'm sure will be an extremely engaging and thought-provoking 2 days. This summit is enriched with display, engagement, and education. The theme is elevating standards in the cleaning industry. Fellow industry players, the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic still cast a shadow. There is renewed focus on cleaning standards in our institutions, hotels, and our homes. This brings a recognition that to do this, we need to get back to the fundamentals.